Eating like a government mule. Yeah, beating up no government mule.
Oh, wait a second.
Yeah, he didn't break his ankle this way.
You didn't have any problem.
I don't remember Tony Fleck wrapping it around Dante's ankle.
He wrapped around his neck.
Are you sure we're watching this ain't
He's over there in the corner. He's just throwing. Are you sure we're watching the right match? Same match.
Okay.
And now he's got a ladder.
Tony Fleck's the one who brought that into the match in the first place. Wait. You need to wear glasses at some point. I mean,
I told you need to take your
that's your driver's license. We might need to have a, wear something, while driving out to the vehicle.
I'm not driving.
Tony, hold up into that ladder. Dante needs to capitalize on this though.
All Tony Fleck wanted to do was check that light bulb, and Dante's
Check
using the lighter as a weapon.
light bulbs in the middle of this match. I can't believe it. Dante needs to definitely capitalize on this though.
Right into those injured ribs. I can't feel food.
They're just teetering right now. It'd be a real X Factor in any kind of match.
Dante!
These Canadians do everything. They just respect this audience every time they come